how to import Roblox models into Blender. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Roblox Studio right here and then just go into one of your game. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just look for the model that you want to import. So let's say, for example, that this is the object that we want to import into Blender. So what we're going to do next right here is to go here on the Explorer and then right click on this part. And then what we're going to do is to go here on the Save and Export right here and then click Export Selection. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have this one right here. So we're going to name it Example. And then after that, I just click the save right there. And then once you do that, what we're going to do next is to open our Blender. Now in the Blender, what we're going to do next is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the file. So in this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the import section and then just choose the OBJ. So once you're now here, what we're going to do is to just look for the object that we've just exported from Roblox Studio. So just go here, and then this is it. So we've named it example. So this is what we're going to use. So just double click on that. And then once you do that, should now be able to see it right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. Once again, that is how to import Roblox models into Blender.